my final presentation. So real quick before I get started, I was trying to use ScreenPower, but it just kept crashing. It was pretty annoying. So I just not gonna use ScreenPower because I know you said that. I apologize, but like it just kept crashing. I think it's using too much CPU, so I'm just using QuickTime Player. It doesn't show my face, but yeah. All right. So so let's just give a brief overview of this thing. So of this project. So it's a bed and breakfast website. It's for Mr. Doppelgamer. He has a couple other bed and breakfast sites. He wanted to make this specific one kind of rustic and outdoorsy. Rustic Lodge website. I think of being out in the woods on a lake, but a campfire, enjoying the peace and quiet. It's kind of his like subjective vibe he wanted for this. So that's basically what he wanted. He wanted 8 pages. He wanted a lot of he wanted some information, and there's some comments down here. No customer reviews because it's new. Specials. There is no specials, but yeah. And then it tells me what contact information you use, phone, email, and then you can book it if you wanted to. Shows that information on the website. So let's get started on the website. So we're gonna start with the home screen first. So the home screen, we get started. It's well, actually, let's go with the style first. So style CSS. So we got a brown background for like the kind of rustic feeling and stuff like that. We use the font parent. We use Open Sans Serif, and then we use Laura. So Laura's kind of rustic feeling, and Open Sans is like the more clean feeling. So that's why we chose that, and we use dark backgrounds, and then light text. So it's easy, like the contrast is easy to read, and the colorway is consistent across all pages. So I use the font parent, dark background, light text. And so let's go over the first page first, index.html, which is my home page. This is it. Got an image of a lake. Escape to the beautiful outdoors, enjoy a rusted. These are just some text. This is a nav bar. It's a header, information. This takes you back to the top. This is across all pages, back to the top. I actually changed where it is, though. It says Georgia down here, but I actually changed it to Spring Lake Range. So I need to change that real quick. So I was like Georgia, because I looked up. This is kind of sidetracking, but I looked up like the name of the mountain, like of the name of. So this is completely off topic, but the reason I chose Georgia was like originally was because I looked up Mountain Oasis, and this was it. There's one in Georgia or whatever, but I was like, I don't know if I want to do that. So then I just looked up. I found this. I just looked up best camping places or something like that around me, and it's in Missouri. So I just chose this. It's kind of like the same vibe, low key. Small town, so yeah. Sorry, a little sidetrack. So now we're gonna go to rooms. Rooms it shows all the information here. We got 6 cozy, beautiful cozy rooms. These are the pricings. These are the amenities. And then kind of just the same thing as the index, like nav bar, information back to top, which is some functionality, I guess, like somewhat of clear call actions in a way that. So then I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna go breakfast menu next. We got the menu next. Nav bar, more information. This is just all the stuff they have, like what they serve. I would like to go on this day. I love waffles. Well, I guess Sunday too. Well, they got donuts too that day. It's a carb day. Okay. Yeah. So menu next, yeah, and then after that we got local attractions. These are just things you can do around campus, kind of sell a customer a little bit. Contact us page is next. We got boom, and then you can reset it. If you chose to submit it, it would be sent to my email, which is some critical actions, which is a good sign of a website when there's some functionality within it. The gallery is next. I chose 4 images. I thought they were the most 4 concepts I could do. Like you mentioned fire pit and the thing, so the lake. Like you said, you want to be like a cozy. What's up here somewhere? Oh, like being out in the woods on a lake by campfire, enjoying the peace and quiet. So I chose this one just because there's a homepage lake, the room picture, campfire, and then I thought this was just like a cool outdoor image. And then about us, it just shows us like basically his story, how he owns multiple bed and breakfast. Not websites, us. Like resorts. Sorry. Why Spring Break Lane? I'm just trying to kind of sell them on it, and then the last page we got is FRQ. These just frequently asked questions. Kind of, if they see this and they're like thinking about it, this should kind of make them say yes or no, kind of, to coming, and hopefully, obviously, yes. But yeah, so this has a good colorway. Easy, like the nav ball is very easy to use. Breakfast, easy to read. Got some clear call actions. And then the next thing I should show you is my folder, I guess. So these are all the folder. It has all my images in it. B&B Final Project. But yeah, I upload all my images here. Sorry, that's kind of how it is. It's all my code though. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I would say. So that's pretty much it. Mr. Doppelganger, I hope you are satisfied with your result. And I hope you get up and running soon. And yeah, have a good one.